Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition new CAD render has been leaked. Samsung reintroduced the idea of light branding flagship in January with announcement of the Galaxy S10 Lite. Following the poor reputation of the Galaxy S20, Samsung is now planning a second light model to boost the sale. But this time around, it will be using a slightly different name. Samsung seems to have chosen another 6.7-inch of a display. Newly published renders of the smartphone, which will make the Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition 5G rather the Samsung Galaxy S20 Lite 5G, shows that it has quite a lot common with the Galaxy S20 Lite when it comes to design. Specifically, the leakster says that Samsung has filled the device with an infinity O display that measures in around 6.5 inches. That differs from earlier reports which mentioned the same 6.7-inch panel found on the flagship Galaxy Note 20. Although there are some key differences between the two. Speaking of the Note 20, whereas the later includes S Pen stylus support as standard and the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition won't, Samsung is using the extra money to add the support for the super smooth 120Hz of refresh rate like the one seen in the premium Galaxy S20 model. That will be coupled with Android 10 and One UI 2.5 straight out of the box. Of course, once available, Samsung is expected to start work on Android 11 and One UI 3.0 software update for the phone. Rounding out the front package are relatively slim bezels coupled with a small punch hole for the 32-megapixel selfie camera. The flagship name is paired with some flagship cameras. Turning the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition 5G over reveals a big camera module covered in glass, much like the ones featured on the Galaxy S20 and S20 Plus models. The report points towards a 12-megapixel main camera that would have borrowed from the same Galaxy S20 and S20 Plus, and these devices produce some of the stunning photos, so the same would be expected from the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition. Samsung is planning to have a 12-megapixel ultra-wide shooter and 8-megapixel of 3x telephoto zoom camera as well. There is no word on the phone video recording compatibility or software features such as the night mode. Despite constant complaint from the loyal users, Samsung loves filtering its European smartphone with the Exynos chipset. But that practice is temporarily ending with the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition 5G, which will be filtered with the Snapdragon 865 in every market. Samsung previously used the chipset inside the Galaxy S20, S20 Ultra and S20 Plus models designed for the United States. In the case of the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition, it would be coupled with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage as standard. Other features may include the presence of IP68 water and dust resistance and addition of large 4500 mAh of a battery. The Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition is expected to arrive in fourth quarter of the 2020 ahead of the annual holiday season. Rumors has it virtually every market where Samsung has presence will receive it. And in the United States, the company's most important market, it could retail at $799, making it $200 cheaper than the regular Galaxy S20. Samsung is expected to offer the smartphone in red, green, white and orange colors. So guys, what are your expectations regarding the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition? How about these renders? Did you like these renders or not? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and also please do consider subscribing for more updates. Thanks for watching this video. Peace out.